Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on Motorola Walkie Talkie. Okay, as you can see, this one is the mini Walkie Talkie, and there are a replaceable battery on the back of it. And to take out the battery, first of all you need to turn off your Walkie Talkie first. And now take this clip out and remove it. And now you will see this arrow. Insert your finger here and take it out. And here is the battery, 1500 milliampere. And now just take it out, and if you want to replace it with the new one, insert the new one to it. Insert the new one and then put back the cover. See here. Okay. And then put it back. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can change or replace the new battery to your Motorola mini Walkie Talkie. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.